is Robert Vadra now revealing and talking about his Rajya Sabha ambitions. Remember recently, and Robert Vadra has increasingly become vocal about the intention, willingness to participate in elections, to represent the party and be in public and politics as well. After Congress party officially did announce Kishori Lal Sharma to contest from Amethi, from Rai Bareli, it will be Rahul Gandhi. Robert Vadra, who's the husband of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, has now said, I want to serve. And it can be through Rajya Sabha also, the upper house of the parliament. Robert Vadra said, I don't owe any explanation to anyone. So remember, for now, the Lok Sabha dreams don't really seem to be working out. Could it be the Rajya Sabha route, just like his mother-in-law Sonia Gandhi? Listen into what Robert Vadra has said.
राजनीति में हूँ या नहीं हूँ, मेरे कदम हो या ना हो, पार्लियामेंट में होने की वजह से ही नहीं आप लोगों की सेवा कर सकते हो। हाँ, बड़े पैमाने पे कर सकते हो। और अगर कोई आपको पॉलिटिशियन तंग ही करते रहते हैं तो आप कहोगे कि मेरे को पॉलिटिकल ही उनको जवाब देना पड़ेगा, तभी मामला स्पष्ट होगा। तो पर मैं उसके लिए नहीं आ रहा हूँ राजनीति में। अगर मैं आऊँगा तो इसलिए नहीं आऊँगा कि किसी को जवाब देना। मुझे देश में सेवा करना है, मैं लोगों के बीच में होता हूँ, मेरे को समझ है उसके बारे में, तो मैं उसको सोच के हो सकता है राज्यसभा हो, पर मेरे तो देश सेवा चलता रहेगा। आप देखेंगे मेरे सोशल मीडिया के द्वारा या जो भी है, मैं हर जगह निकलूँगा और ज़रूर रायबरेली और अमेठी और मुरादाबाद और हर जगह पहुँचूँगा और लोगों के बीच में रहूँगा। और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, उनका प्यार मिलता है मुझे और मैं आदर और सम्मान से मैं कुछ समय बाद ज़रूर आऊँगा राजनीति में।
So that is a very clear, elaborate statement that I am already among the public. I'll continue to do so. I can even go through Rajya Sabha. And this is, remember, not being asked to him. He's saying it himself that he's keen for this. Let's bring in Mausami Singh for the latest on that, Mausami. So not Priyanka Gandhi as much as it looks like Robert Vadra is keen and interested to be in the political life. And directly, could Rajya Sabha route be the one for him? Mausami, what are you picking up on this?
See, this is not the first time, yes, Pooja, that Robert Vadra has issued different tunes and political tones as far as Gandhi family is concerned. 2014, 2019, he'd expressed his will to indulge in the politics of people and go to the ground to fight an election. Earlier, he had in 2019 or 14, I remember, said that he would contest Moradabad, which is his home turf, where he hails from, in fact. But this time round, after Robert Vadra mooted that people of Amethi wanted him to contest, and you had KL Sharma as the candidate declared, it is clear that there are differences in terms of thinking as far as Gandhi family is concerned. The Gandhi family is conscious of the fact that the dynastic politics allegation is a very, very vocal and very, very brutal attack that they have faced from the BJP. They believe that if Robert Vadra steps into politics, perhaps that attack will even get more sharpened. But at the same time, as I said, that Robert Vadra would be holding a different opinion, and he's now having not contested the Lok Sabha elections and KL Sharma is the candidate. It's clear that this time round he's missed that opportunity.
I have a question here. Have you seen him increasingly go beyond the sort of privileged life he's had, and he's seen that he's gone to the public? Do you see him more involved, more likely as a public representative, as a politician, trying to make those inroads recently?
See, and honestly, Robert Vadra, as far as, his social media profile is concerned and his public appearances are concerned, are more increasingly on the social front, where he's gone out. He was seen performing the Ganga Aarti recently in Haridwar, and perhaps helping the poor and the needy is what he says is his mission. But and that is very much a public persona that he's adopted. He's not somebody who's just rested with the surname Gandhi and stayed away from publicity. So he's always sought publicity, Pooja. And he's been tweeting and he's been on social media, Facebook, though alone.
Yes.
So one will have see whether his own opinion prevails or yet again what the family collectively wants.
But it's very
does
clear now,
prevail.
Mausami, isn't it? Robert Vadra has given one feeler after another that he wants to be a part of political life. He kept giving out those feelers ahead of Lok Sabha elections, especially for Amethi and Raebareli. And now comes in the Rajya Sabha mention where he says, on social media, on the ground, people love me, I go to them, I receive a lot of love. Desh Seva will go on, even can be through Rajya Sabha. Listen in to Robert Vadra.
राजनीति में हूँ या नहीं हूँ, मेरे कदम हो या ना हो, पार्लियामेंट में होने की वजह से ही नहीं आप लोगों की सेवा कर सकते हो। हाँ, बड़े पैमाने पे कर सकते हो, और अगर कोई आपको पॉलिटिशियन तंग ही करते रहते हैं तो आप कहोगे कि मेरे को पॉलिटिकल ही उनको जवाब देना पड़ेगा, तभी मामला स्पष्ट होगा। तो पर मैं उसके लिए नहीं आ रहा हूँ। राजनीति में अगर मैं आऊँगा तो इसलिए नहीं आऊँगा कि किसी को जवाब देना, मुझे देश में सेवा करना है। मैं लोगों के बीच में होता हूँ, मेरे को समझ है उसके बारे में, तो मैं उसको सोच के हो सकता है राज्यसभा हो, पर मेरे तो देश सेवा चलता रहेगा। आप देखेंगे मेरे सोशल मीडिया के द्वारा या जो भी है, मैं हर जगह निकलूँगा और ज़रूर रायबरेली और अमेठी और मुरादाबाद और हर जगह पहुँचूँगा और लोगों के बीच में रहूँगा। और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, उनका प्यार मिलता है मुझे, और मैं आदर और सम्मान से मैं कुछ समय बाद ज़रूर आऊँगा राजनीति में।